Hello everyone. Today, I want to talk about starting a blog and making it profitable in 2023. Blogging has become one of the most popular ways to make money online, and for good reason. With the right strategy, it can be a very profitable venture. So, let's get started. 1. Choose a niche. The first step to starting a profitable blog is to choose a niche or topic that you're passionate about. This could be anything from cooking to fashion to technology. Make sure the niche you choose is something you're knowledgeable about and interested in. 2. Choose a platform. Next, you need to choose a platform to host your blog. Some popular options include WordPress, Blogger, and Wix. Choose a platform that's easy to use, customizable, and has good support. 3. Define your brand. Now that you have a platform, it's time to define your brand. Choose a name for your blog, create a logo, and choose a color scheme. Make sure your brand is consistent across all of your social media and online profiles. 4. Create quality content. The most important part of your blog is the content. Make sure you create high-quality, engaging, and informative content that your audience will love. Focus on providing value to your readers, and they will keep coming back for more. 5. Monetize your blog. There are many ways to monetize your blog,
everyone.
including advertising,
In this video,
affiliate marketing,
we're going to talk about
sponsored
how to make
content,
money
and selling
online
products
easily.
or services.
Making money online
Choose the
has become
monetization
increasingly
methods that are
popular
best
in
suited
recent
to your
years,
blog and
and
your
for
audience.
good reason.
6.
There are so
Build
many
your audience.
opportunities
To make your
available,
blog profitable,
regardless of your
you need
skill
an
set
audience.
or experience level.
Share your content
Here
on
are
social
some
media,
simple ways to
engage
make
with
money
your readers,
online.
and participate in
1.
online communities
Online
related
surveys.
to your niche.
Participating in online
7.
surveys is
Optimize
an
your blog
easy and
for
quick
search
way
engines.
to make some extra
Optimizing your
cash.
blog for search engines
Companies
like
are
Google
always looking
is
for
important
consumer
for
opinions
increasing
and
traffic
feedback,
and visibility.
and by taking surveys,
Make sure
you
you
can
use
provide them with
keywords,
valuable
meta
information
descriptions,
while earning
and
some
other
money
SEO
in
best
return.
practices.
2.
8.
Freelancing.
Collaborate with
If
other
you have a
bloggers.
specific skill
Collaborating
set,
with other
such as
bloggers
writing,
in your niche
graphic
can help you
design,
reach
or
new
programming,
audiences,
you
get
can
more
offer your
exposure,
services
and
as a
build
freelancer
relationships
on
with other
websites such as
bloggers.
Upwork or Fiverr.
9. Measure your
You
success.
can set your own rates
Finally,
and work
it's
on your
important
own
to measure your
schedule.
success.
3.
Use tools
Selling
like Google
products
Analytics
online.
to track your
E-commerce
traffic and
platforms
see
like
which
Amazon,
posts are
eBay,
performing well.
and Etsy make it
This
easy for you to
information
sell
can help
products
you make
online.
informed decisions about your
Whether you
blog's
make your
future.
own products or sell products
Outro,
you've
and
purchased
that's it.
wholesale, you can reach
These
a
are the
global
steps you need
audience
to
and
take to
start
start a
earning money
profitable
from the
blog
comfort
in
of your own home.
2023.
4.
Remember,
Affiliate
success
marketing.
takes time
If
and
you have a
dedication,
blog or
so be
social media
patient and stay
following,
focused on your
affiliate
goals.
marketing is a great way
Thanks
to
for
earn money
watching,
by
and
promoting
don't
other
forget to
people's
like and
products.
subscribe for more content
You
like
earn a
this.
commission for every sale that is made through your unique